everybody, and welcome back to another video. And today, I will be making a firework because it's almost New Year, which is cool. I hope you can celebrate with a good time with your friends or with your family. But today I'm going to show you how to make a firework. And so I'm not going to be making some videos from tomorrow. I mean, I will go back, but it's like you have to go to like a hotel. My brother might bring his iPad and we might just make a video set there. And today, let's get started with making our firework. And also you can also move it forever. So I hope you guys be able to make it. Let's get started. So how we want to make the kit first of all is folding it like this. Not the long way, the fat. Let's say fat. You should place this really sharp and make sure the open end, that these two flaps, are at the top. Now we're gonna fold these. One of them there. Flip it over.
Ashton, I just want to say a happy New Year to everybody who's watching this video. Since the firework is of course is a thing that we all see on New Year's Day, yeah, fireworks. That's why we're doing a firework today.
And also, I hope that you guys had a Merry Christmas. So now let's airplane fold it like that, like a bin's fold, but only the first one. Now let's do it on this side. And now once we've folded these after that, we could cut it on the edge here, but I prefer ripping it. But you have to do really short crispy today. So we want to mark the edge, which is right there, where you did that fold.
Hey, actually, wait. Do you want to do a magic spell? Let's do a magic spell.
But first we need to teach them how to do it. So we want to line this up. And now, bring it up, push it down a bit. Open these vent folds. And crease really sharp. And should look like this.
Okay, Ashton, wait. They're going to do it that way. But you want to do it another way?
No.
It's a secret way.
No.
It's a magic way.
No.
I'm sure.
No one. So now what we want to do is, to make a you have to do really sharp for this part. That's why. And we want to take a little like that. And now let's make the mouth fold this up and do this. Now you want to do that. Like that. Okay.
Hey, Ashton, now we use the fat one, correct?
No, that's so wrong. You'll see why we have to use this one, not this one. And you could make more out of this one.
Just cut it in the middle, but...
No. The steps that I told you. That way, that. And then all cut. Okay. Now let's make sure the bin fold is there. Like this. And now you wanna fold this line to the middle. Like hinge it and then fold. And once we've creased it down really softly, like just flip it over. Now let's fold the next one into the middle.
Is it the same process?
Yeah, basically on the same side like this. unfold complete. And it looks like that. Now we want to make sure all of our holes are mounted. So let's just go over them and like pinch on the ones that aren't mounted. So this one wasn't, but originally wasn't. And now we want to pinch on it and see, it's like that. Look on this one. Basically, just do it on all. You can even do it on the ones that are already mounted for just to make it a little stronger. And now it should look like this. Put it, lay it down. Okay. So now, let's fold one of them like Blind's folded. And as we still see the first line, I'm gonna fold it back. Once we've done that, let's do the next one. Repeat it until we reach the middle. So this is 1, 2. I'm pretty sure it's here. That's why the middle is. Okay, yeah. This is what it is. And we want to fold it here. And go to the next one. And how we also might know is because when we do flip this side, there should be 4. I need 2. Like that. Once we do that, flip it over on this side. And do the same thing. But once we've folded them all into the middle, open it. But there should be one that doesn't have that diagonal. So let's fold this one. Just and they all have one. Okay, so now let's do it. Now let's repeat that on this side. So not on this side, but now on this side. So it's basically now let's just repeat that now on this side. Once we've done that, now let's on this side. I remember where the midpoint is. That's 4. And now once it looks like this, you wanna, as we do see, there's a topping here at the top. You wanna hold this, push it down. So basically, what we had to do is push this, that, and that.
This is the hardest step.
So it doesn't say a hard step. I'm pretty sure it's a hard step. It should look like this once we do on both sides. Let's repeat that. My brother will just skip a little because I really want you guys to be able to make this because it's almost New Year. Once we've done that a little bit, wrap it, we get it like I'm just kidding. Now we want to make it come so this is like that. And we want to see these things like these balloons. And we want to cut it like that. Now let's put that to the other side. And just know when these things come, just put your nail on it. And then we're gonna squish it down. And also, if I didn't mention this, the next after this step, it's the last step. It's just to wrap around.
failed this far, well, congratulations. You have done really good. If you failed before and you're just watching the video, well, that's still also fine. It's more than okay to fail about 1,000,000 times. As long as you keep on trying and you never give up.
Yeah, like I try making the next one, but I keep failing. But I also, when I try playing on YouTube channel, but I don't think I can. But if I do learn it, I'll try to do it. So I really can learn how to make it. And now it should look like this. Now we're also going to make this like that. So then we can wrap it around. Come like this. Otherwise, when we wrap it around, look at it. It looks like this, which is pretty weird actually. Okay, so what we want to do is like, so there's a little line there. We're going to push that back. Hold on these two. Push them back. Okay, let's do it on this one. Pull that backwards. Now they all should look very similar, and it looks like this. So now when we open it, when we do this, the pattern should look like this. The back looks like this. So now, congratulations, on to the last step. So now we just want to wrap it around and then glue it. So
How long do you have to wait for it until it sets?
I would say maybe for 100 seconds. So, yeah. And try not getting any glue on your. Okay. So like that. And then there's these two toppings here. And we just want to hold on those. So like this. Like really hard, okay? So I'm just gonna get my glue. Now, the glue, stick it here. And remember, you have to put it in the right way. This way. So now make sure the line is facing that way. Now, back, and
Now pin 400 seconds.
200. I said 100. Never mind. You can do it as much as you want. We're done! Hope you guys were able to fold it. Now let's just see if it works properly. And now it can move. Because I like it. Just kidding. As you see, on my actual one, I didn't put any line. I just pranked you. It's not, I April Fool's you. I mean, it's not April.
It's New Year's Fool's.
I hope you guys were able to fold it, and I'll see you next time. Bye.